Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you're fine. This is second class related to ratio. Inshallah, you will be highly benefited if you be with me until the class finish. Today we will start the ratio related second class. It is included in your year final exam 2.1. We will solve some creative maths today. In our first video, I told you what is ratio and how many types of ratios are there, and we discussed a creative math also. Today we are going to start another creative math. For your better understanding, I will show you the maths by a screen share option. You will be highly benefited if you follow the screen share, and if you follow the maths in the board. I will solve the math in the board, and also it is solved here. You can be benefited following the board and screen share also. Okay, so the math says question 3. Question 3, we will solve question 3 today. Rahim and Karim are two brothers. The ratio of ages of Karim and his father is 9:21, and the sum of their ages is 80 years. On the other hand, the ratio of the ages of Rahim and his father is 2:7. They are Rahim and Karim are two brothers. You have to first understand what does the stream says. It says Rahim and Karim are two brothers, and the ratio of age of Karim and his father 9:21. 9:21. Their ratio is given of Karim and his father, and their sum is given 80 years. You know, if sum is given and ratio is given, we can separate the quantity. That's why we can know what is the age of Karim and what is the age of his father also from these items. And another line say the ratio of ages of Rahim and his father 2:7. That is, if we compare Rahim with his father, then ratio becomes 2:7. But you have to know, Rahim and Karim are two brothers. Okay, that is their father is same. Okay, so part A says simplify the ratio of ages of Karim and his father. So Karim and his father, simplify the ratio. Very easy. Simplify, that is ratio is given. Karim and his father, their ratio is 9:21. So 9:21, you know, if ratio is divided or multiplied by any number, then the value will not be changed. So to simplify it, we can write down this by a fraction, and now we can cut down it by 3. That is 3/7. That is 3/7. So we can write down it 3:7. So 3:7 is the simplified form of 9:21. So part A is complete. Now part B says determine the age of Karim and his father. Very easy. Karim and his father, their ratio is 9:21. That is the ages of ratio of Karim and his father is 9:21. That is Karim is to his father. Is 9:21. Their sum is given. So their sum of their age is 80 years. So there are different types, different ways to find out the age of Karim and his father. Best way is to add them. Okay, sum of quantity of this is equal to 9 plus 21. That is 30. So age of Karim will be what? Age of Karim will be 9/30 part of 80. Okay, if we return them, that is 24 years. And age of father. Age of his father will be what? His father, if we subtract 24 from 80, we can also know what is the age of his father. Okay. That is 56 years. That is, father's age is 56 years and Corin's age is 24 years. You can see in the screen also that we've got the same thing from C, that age of father is 56 years. Okay. Now part C, what does part C say? Part C says, determine the ratio of age of Korim and Rohim. Korim and Rohim, that is, we have to know the age of Rohim now. We have already known what is the age of Korim. Korim's age is 24 years. Now we have to know what is age of Rohim. If we can know age of Rohim, then we can easily find out the ratio of their ages. Okay. From B, ages of Rohim's father 56 years. You can see, and ratio of ages of Rohim and Rohim's father is 2:7. Rohim and Rohim's father, their ratios are given 2:7. So we have known Rohim's father's age. We have known Rohim's father's age, and now we have known Rohim and Rohim's father's ratio of their age. So Rohim's age will be 2/7 of 56 years because their ratio is 2:7. So Rohim's age will be 2/7 part of Rohim's father's age. That is, Rohim is 2/7 part of his father. So his father is 56 years. So Rohim will be what? 2/7 of 56. That is 16 years. So Rohim's age is 16 years. Again, Korim's age is 24 years. So the ratio will be 24:16. That is 3:2. Very easy. Part C is very easy. I think you have understood part C here. You can solve such kind of maths at your home also. Now there is another math related to mixture. Okay, mixture related math. It will be solved by you. You will try at your home. Yeah, I am giving it as your homework, and you will solve them. Okay. The ratio of milk and sugar in a mixture is 7:2. That is, you have made a mixture of milk with sugar, where the milk is 7 part and sugar is 2 part. In this mixture, the quantity of sugar is 4 kg. Sugar's quantity is given. The parts S is find the mixed ratio of 3:5, 5:7, and 7:9. Very easy. To find out the mixed ratio, you have to multiply the antecedents, that is 3 into 3, 5, and 7, and you have to multiply the subsequent 5, 7, and 9. Then you will get the mixed ratio that will give the answer of part A. Part B says, what is the quantity of milk? Very easy. You will find out the sum of the quantity, that will be 9. So the quantity of milk will be 7/9 of 7/9 part. There 7/9 part will be the milk. Okay, so 7/9 part is equal to what kg? Because here the sugar is given 4 kg. So such kind of maths you can write down this way. The sugar is 4 kg is given. So you can consider the milk is x kg. Suppose we consider milk is x kg. I am solving it for your better understanding. If we consider, since it is such kind of math has not been solved yet, that's why I am solving it for your betterment. And you will try at your home also more maths. Okay. So part B, let their milk equal to x kg. So consider quantity of milk is x kg. Now milk is to sugar is given 7:2. So we can say, we can write down x:4 equal to 7:2. Why? Why can we write it? Because milk is to sugar is 7:2. You can see the ratio is given. Milk is to sugar they will give the equivalent ratio. They will make the equivalent ratio. That's why we can write down this. From this relation, we can easily find out the value of x. Okay. So x equal to 7/2 into 4. 14, x equal 14. So milk, quantity of milk will be 14 kg. So milk, quantity of milk will be 14 kg. By this way, you can solve this method. So we have done part B. Now part C says what amount of milk with the mixture, what amount of milk have to mix with the mixture to get the ratio of the milk and sugar 4:1. Very important. This kind of math is very important for your coming exam. In part C, question says what amount of milk is to be mixed with the mixture. That is, we have to mix some milk with the mixture. So we will consider that x kg milk is to be added. Okay. So part C. In part C, we have to mix x kg milk. Let x kg milk is to be added. So the quantity of milk becomes quantity of milk. In part B, we have learned the quantity of milk was 14 kg. Okay, so since x kg milk is to be added, so total quantity will be 14 plus x kg. I think you have understood this because from part B, you have known there was 14 kg milk in this mixture. Now x kg is to be added, so total milk will be 14 plus x kg. And now the ratio will be 4:1, milk is to sugar, according to the question. Milk is to sugar, that is 14 plus x is to sugar. Sugar, how many kg? 4 kg. Sugar will not change, it is 4 kg. So 14 plus x is to 4, it will give the ratio, equivalent ratio with 4:1. So 14 plus x by 4 equal to 4/1. So by solving, we will get the result 14 plus x equal to 16. So x equal to 16 minus 14, that is 2. So we can say 2 kg milk is to be added to the mixer. This is the answer of part C. I think you have understood them and they are very easy, and such kind of maths can be done by you and you will try them. Okay, you will try them. You see, there is another maths, father and son related maths. Already such kind of maths discussed earlier, so it will not be discussed now. You will solve them at your home. Another maths says Salam and Shumon are two brothers. The ratio of the ages of Salam and his father is 9:21, and the sum of their ages is 80 years. As the math related to father and son. Okay, the ratio of age of Shumon and his father is 2:7. So simplify the ratio of Salam and his father. Very easy. Determine the age of Salam and his father. Also very easy. Determine the ratio of ages of Salam and Shumon. As this math is as same as question 3 here. Rahim and Kurim are two brothers. You see, we have done question number 3 and question number 3 and question number 6. Same math. Just here there was Rahim and Kurim, and here there are Salam and Shumon. Okay, so you can easily solve them. Question 7 says the ratio of milk and sugar in a ferment is 7:2. Same math. Milk and sugar have already done, and this is also milk and sugar. Another math you will solve at your home. This. Okay. Another math. The price of 2 refrigerators is equal to price of 5 television, and the price of 1 electric heater is given 1600 taka. Okay, 2 refrigerators is equal to price of 5 television. You have to know the 2 refrigerators and 5 televisions prices are same, and 1 electric heater's price is given. So part A says determine the ratio of the price of 1 television and 1 refrigerator. 1 television and one refrigerator. That is, 2 refrigerators is equal to 5 television. 2 refrigerator is equal to 5 television. So, 1 television equal to what? 1 television and 1 refrigerator will be 2:5, because 2 refrigerators price equal to 5 televisions price. So the ratio is 2:5. Okay, part A is complete. Now B says if the price of a television is 9 times the price of an electric heater, that is, one electric heater's price is 1600 taka. So what will be the price of one television? That is 9 times of electric heater. 9 times means 1600 into 9. You will get, if you multiply 1600 by 9, you will get the price of one television. Now, the question says, what will be the price of a refrigerator? Price of a 2 refrigerator is equal to price of 5 television. From this item, you have to find out the price of 5 televisions, and 5 televisions will be equal to 2 refrigerators. So this price will have to be divided by 2. Then you will get the answer of this question. Okay. And now part C says determine the simple ratio of the price of each refrigerator and a heater. From B, you will get the price of a refrigerator, and in the steam, price of an electric heater is already given 1600 taka. So you will find out the simple ratio between them. This will give the answer of part C. Okay. And question number 9 also as like as previously done. The ratio of two numbers 5:10. They are simplified ratio. 1:2. It will be answer of number 1. If the first number is 2 times of the quantities of the given ratio, what is the second number? Also very easy. Divide 37,500 between the two people in the given ratio. That is, ratio is 5:10. Ratio is given, and total money is given 37,500 taka. So we can easily separate in corresponding ratio. So such kind of maths already done in my today's class and previous class. I think you can solve such kind of maths. So this is the end of today's class. Inshallah, in our next class, we will learn difficult types of methods. By this time, I am finishing my today's class. Inshallah, in our next class, we will learn the new things with new topics to you. Thank you for being with me. Allah Hafiz.